friends, welcome back to Focus Corner. Here comes the video which will inspire to those who set goals and plan to attain the target. The topic is about value of goal setting, its importance and its benefits. Goals are a great way to hold ourselves accountable. They are the oxygen to our dreams. Setting goals and working to achieving them helps us define what we truly want in life. Goal setting helps trigger new behaviors, guides your focus, and helps you sustain that momentum in life. So, this question pops up in mind: how goal setting can lead to greater success and performance. Experts says setting goals not only motivates us but can also improve our mental health and our level of personal and professional success. So, firstly, what is a goal? Any planning you do for your future, regardless of what it is a goal. Now, let's see the powerful reason why goal setting is important. I believe goals are the first step to every journey we take. It's very important that you realize the significance and importance of goal setting and apply this knowledge in your life. So, powerful reason 1: goal gives you focus. You can have all the potential in the world, but without focus, your abilities and talents are useless. You can't achieve anything unless a goal is focusing your effort. By setting goals for yourself, you give yourself a target to shoot for. This sense of direction allows your mind to focus on a target and reach your goal. Reason 2: goals allows you to measure progress. By setting goals for yourself, you are able to measure your progress because you always have a fixed endpoint or benchmark to compare with. Reason 3: goal keeps you logged in and undistracted. By setting goals, you give yourself mental boundaries. When you have a certain endpoint in mind, you automatically stay away from certain distractions and stay focused towards the goal. Your goal gives you focus and allows you to stay locked in. Reason 4: goal helps you overcome procrastination. When you set a goal for yourself, you make yourself accountable to finish the task. Goals tend to stick in your mind, and if not completed, they give you a reminder. These reminders helps you to overcome procrastination and laziness. Reason 5: goal gives you motivation. The root of all the motivation or inspiration you have ever felt in your entire life are goals. Goal setting provides you the foundation for your drive. By making a goal, you give yourself a concrete endpoint to aim for and get excited about. It gives you something to focus on and put 100% of your effort, and this focus is what develops motivation. And yes, goals are simply tools to focus your energy in positive direction. Applying goal setting and SMART goal to life create major positive changes. So I believe this video is more beneficial to all. Thank you and best of luck.